Hello guys, thank you for watching this video. Pag-uusapan natin kung ano ang mga requirements, paano kumuha ng travel certificate clearance for the minors. Lahat ng information na ibibigay ko po sa inyo ay magbabase lamang po tayo sa website ng DSWD. So lahat ay doon nyo po makikita, doon po natin makikita. Ipapakita ko po sa inyo, babasahin natin yung lahat ng requirements. So mas kumpleto, mas detalyado sa mismong website ng DSWD. Ipapakita ko rin po sa inyo kung saan ito, kung paano ito i-search. So, by the way, ang DSWD travel clearance for the minors ay pwede siyang i-process or pwede siyang kunin sa kahit saang DSWD field office. So, ang kanilang schedule ay 8 in the morning hanggang 5 in the afternoon. Walang noon break. So, ito na nga po yung mga requirements para sa minors traveling alone to a foreign country for the first time. So, ibig sabihin, first time na magta-travel ng minor at saka siya lang mag-isa. So, wala siyang kasama na kahit sino. So, first, duly accomplished application form. So, nasa DSWD lang yan pagdating mo doon sa field office. Assessment report from the local social welfare and development office of the social welfare and development team when necessary. Birth certificate on security paper from PSA. A photocopy of the marriage certificate on security paper of the minor's parents or the court decision on legal guardianship of the minor. In the case of illegitimate minor, a certificate of no marriage of the minor's mother from the Philippine Statistics Authority on security paper. So, kung illegitimate po yung minor, so kailangan din po ng sinumar galing sa PSA. So, sinumar ng ina na nagpapatunay na siya ay hindi kasal. Tapos, notarized at the place of residence, affidavit or written consent of both parents. So, dapat ang affidavit or written consent ng parehong magulang ng minor ay sa place of residence na yung notaryo. Ibig sabihin, dapat dyan yung attorney dapat taga dyan sa place of residence ng minor. So, next. So, by the way guys, ito nga palang lahat ng requirements ay makikita lamang po dito sa DSWD website. So, kung gusto nyong basahin ng kayo mismo para mas maintindihan niyo at mas klaro ang mga bawat requirements, so nandito lang is i-type nyo lamang sa browser ang DSWD travel clearance for minors. So, makikita po ninyo lahat ng requirements. So, pwede nyong basahin mismo para mas klaro. So, kailangan din po ng 2 original colored passport size photos. White, red, or blue background of the minor taken within the last 6 from the time of application. So, dapat within the last 6 months. So, hindi po pwede yung scanned picture. Photocopy of the passport of the minor, if applicable. Affidavit of support and certified copy of any evidence to show financial capability of sponsor. Tapos, in case either or both parents of the minor are deceased, certified true copy ay kailangan din ng death certificate of each of the parents. So, dapat PSA lahat ng kopya galing sa PSA. Unaccompanied minor certificate from the airlines, kakailangan din. Waiver from the parents releasing the DSWD from any liability or responsibility in case of untoward incident during the travel of the child. So, iba din po yung requirements at mas kakaunti yung requirements para sa succeeding travel or ibig sabihin, hindi na first time na pag-travel ng minor. Tapos, wala siyang kasama din. So, yung first kanina is, medyo marami ang requirements for the first time na pagta-travel ng minor kung siya lang mag-isa. So, konti na lang yung requirements kung hindi na niya first time na pag-travel to a foreign country. So, kahit mag-isa siya, kung hindi na niya first time, so ito na lang yung mga kakailanganin. Duly accomplished application form, notarized affidavit, original copy of the previous travel clearance certificate issued, so yung nasa blue card, 2 original colored passport size photos, an accompanied minor certificate from the airlines, at saka yung waiver. So, konti na lang ang requirements kung hindi na niya first time na pag-travel. So, ito naman, medyo marami din yung kakailanganin para sa first time ng minor, pero meron siyang kasama, pero hindi parents or legal guardian. So, iba din yung requirements or halos parehas lang din, pero medyo konti kaysa doon sa kanina na talagang mag-isa yung minor na talagang walang kasama. So again, first time ng minor pero meron siyang kasama pero hindi parents or legal guardian. So duly accomplished application form pa din, photocopy of birth certificate of minor. So SECPA, ibig sabihin from the PSA office. Tapos yung notarized affidavit pa din, tapos photocopy of marriage certificate of the minor's parents. two original colored passport size photos, photocopy of the passport of the traveling companion. So, kakailanganin din yung photocopy ng passport ng kasama. So, photocopy of the passport of the minor if applicable. Affidavit of support and certified copy of any evidence to show financial capability of sponsor. So, ayan. So, dito, minors traveling subsequently with a person. So, konti na lang din yung requirements. So again, lahat po ng requirements. So dito meron pang mga additional requirements for minor under special circumstances. Kung halimbawa, magma-migrate siya to another country, kailangan ng visa petition approval. For a minor who will study abroad, kailangan ng acceptance or certificate of enrollment. So lahat po ng katanungan ninyo, sigurado makikita nyo lamang po dito sa DSWD website. I-type nyo lamang po. So type natin ulit. DSWD, i-type nyo lamang po ito, DSWD Travel Clearance Application Form or Travel Clearance lang requirements. Pagka-click nyo nyan, makikita nyo na kaagad ito, Travel Clearance for Minors. So dyan tayo pumasok kanina. Pagka-click nyo nyan, nandyan na po lahat ng katanungan ninyo, siguradong masasagot. So again, pwedeng mag-process ng travel clearance sa kahit saang DSWD field office. Tapos, yung kanilang office hours ay Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. at walang noon break. So guys, that's all for this video. Sana po ay nakatulong sa inyo ang video na to. Huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe para sa mga information na maaaring kakailangan ninyo rin po in the future.